Alright, today's video is just a little update information. My clutch was bad. My CMC gave out. And here it is. The CMC is stuck in there. I had no more pressure buildup whatsoever, so I had to replace this. Cut the line off to get it out. The Slave is still good. You could pump it and it still squirts. So I replaced it with an EM1. Let's get some light in there. Let's see if we can see it. There it is. Way up there. Steel braided line coming through. All the way through. Then we got a brand new Slave. And this is the EM3 modified from Hard Motion. So it has the idle assist deleted from this one. And has the idle assist deleted on that one up there. What they do is they modify these so it doesn't have the assist delay and doesn't have the Dorito chip here on the side. The other one is just plain and straight to the point. This one's still good, so I'm gonna put this away in my box of goodies. Here's my box of goodies. It's all full up, so we start stacking up on top. But she is running super mint, very good. I have the PML header already with a full race 3-inch exhaust that I installed yesterday with the hybrid cold air 3.5-inch intake. I just send my tuner a message. Time to get retuned. Time to make some more ponies. Sweet. Had to change that sucker out all of a sudden. Didn't plan on it. My buddy had one sitting in his trunk. I hit him up. Hey bro, I need your fucking kit. Just please let me borrow it. I'll just buy you a brand new kit. So now I gotta go to Hard Motion where I got my exhaust and I get a lot of parts for this SI and buy another kit for him because I had to buy his. But that will do it for now. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.